In this video, I'm going to teach you how to, or if you can even play Apex Legends on Steam Deck. So as you can see, I have in here this thread. This user has recently gotten their Steam Deck and didn't realize the big Linux removal affected it. So has anyone been able to get Apex working by installing Windows on the Steam Deck? So this is their question right here, and some users actually answered. Can install Windows. Valve even has a help page with some information. You can see this right here. Steam Deck is a little PC, so there shouldn't be any issues with launching Apex once you install Windows. So this user used to play until the EA rep Son removed the option for Linux users to play. Now they can play. As somebody else, we can go through the rigmarole of installing Windows. It's just not worth it for Apex. However, this particular installation guide is dependent on which you can actually do for this case. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video help you out.